Sak pasenya ginties. Guess where I'm at? Grandma's house. We're going to see Grandma. Hello, Grandma. Honey, I'm home. Honey, I'm home.
Non, des foot sans ave. Tout ça. Tout est venu là.
The last time you were here
Vous entendez?
was when you had Dante. You want
Tout
water?
est venu là
It's warm.
avec Dante.
I know.
That's the last time you come here. It. Yeah.
How many do I take, Grandma?
Yeah, what is it? Put it on here. Take one by one. And water.
And just put it in there?
Yes.
On the water.
Be careful.
Be careful, y'all.
Don't burn yourself.
How many do I put?
You can put that right.
Re-roll it?
This one.
Oh, you fast, Grandma.
This a meatball. Meatball.
More?
That's it. Easy.
Okay, so how do we say rice, Grandma, in Creole?
Some people tell her, this is good. It's good.
You want me to open this?
No,
Oh.
I already brought the pois.
Oh, sorry.
Pois.
Pois? Pois
Pois.
mean pot?
Pois mean
Beans. Pois.
beans. Pois. You see, I have pois red, pois black, pois white. So I say peas, split peas. Good. When you, I wash my rice because some people put rice no wash. My always, you see that's a peas.
Peas.
The peas white. Then
What do you need me to do?
I put oil. I put spice again. Then I put water. Then I'm going to put the rice, cook the rice. Right.
You want me to do it?
Right. Right. Be careful, you can burn. Be careful.
I've cooked before, Grandma. I just don't know how to cook
Don't
like
put the
a
water does well.
like a Haitian woman.
I know you can do. You're not
You
easy.
know what you have to do?
It just falling. The water don't fall.
Okay. Make sure the water don't fall.
You're in the wrong way. You just don't do like this.
You said not to let the water in there.
Yeah. See? That's
Mm-hmm, Grandma. Yep.
yes, enough, huh?
That's good.
It's enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I need to make my rice like that.
Mm.
Then Corey give me a big ring.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Then I can tell him, honey, I'm home. Grandma, is it ready?
Yeah. But let me see. Yeah. See? You got it. Voile.
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 What does that mean?
Voile. You see? Like a belt. You see? That's a turkey one size. Cook well. You have to leave it cook well. And you turn it off. Yeah,
Do you make gravy with it too, Grandma?
I make gravy and I make them on the gravy. I don't see oil.
Oh, so nice.
Huh? Bow. My back. My hip.
My neck. My back. You gotta sing it like that, Grandma. Go ahead, Grandma, say it. My neck.
My back.
My
My
back.
back.
How did you feed him? You had enough food for him when he was a baby?
He liked to eat. He
A lot.
always, since he was little, he liked to eat, but not a lot of food at the time. He ate piece, little by little.
How do you say greedy in Creole?
Vorace. affameux.
Affameux.
Affameux. Affameux vorace. Você é um vorace ou affameux. Mete tudo. Mete tudo.
You just put it on top of each other?
Então, eu vou te manger.
Manger means eat.
Ah, vou te manger. Manger.
I've seen that on YouTube.
Italian say mangiare, mangiare, mangiare. You know how to make sauce?
No. I don't know how to cook no Haitian food, Grandma.
No, you
I
say
barely eat Haitian food.
You don't know how to make sauce.
No. Okay.
Let me wash.
Make
You
it
can put it.
like little slices or big slices?
Let me show you.
Okay, show me first, Francis.
What they do in the restaurant? Why? So, you can put the other way too. The other way like that.
Yes,
The other way.
yes.
Don't go upside too. Slice.
Go ahead, show me how you slice it.
Yeah. That same way. Yeah, but ça fait long comme ça.
I know what I'm gonna get you for your birthday. Cutting boards.
No more. Ah.
You need cutting boards.
Yeah. Quitte l'eau gravy à bouillir.
Get the little gravy.
L'eau.
Glow.
Water. L'eau. Il fait comme
Get the low.
l'eau.
Low.
See the l'eau? Let it boil. And then I'm going to put all the spice here. Let me put spice. Give it a taste. Get you 1 pack of this.
Sazon.
Open it. Make it taste good. We like, that's a, what is parsley?
Parsley.
We like fresh parsley, like we cut to put, but it's too much because when we leave it there, they dry.
Yeah, it dries
It's
up, it goes
spoiled.
bad.
That's why we buy this, right? 1 part of this, everything, and where we say, we chop.
What, did you make this, Grandma, or
Yeah.
you bought it?
I bought that. I bought the can. Tomato sauce. You know
Okay.
that's it?
Yeah, I seen tomato sauce, but
Tomato sauce.
that's pima.
Pima. They say pima. If it's not too strong, you put more. Hey, put chop.
Oh wow, so nice. Don't worry, I got it, Grandma. You focus.
No,
this one's not
one-
done.
Not yet. No, they don't done yet. Yes. No. See it?
How do you want it sliced, Grandma?
Wow.
Oh yeah, Grandma, I'm getting it right. Better a little bit.
Vocês olham para fazer gambutes.
It's just gonna go in and come out. You're gonna pepper it out. Okay.
Pode ter que ir lá, né? Você vai peter?
Cut it more.
Cut it. Vai meter nessa saga gambutes. Vai. Lá foi meter boulette lá. E lá vai meter tudo aqui. Guys,
You teach me how to cook
next
more.
time, everybody here, everybody cook.
Yeah,
When they come and they will put everybody in there.
that's how you gotta do it, Grandma. Cause who's gonna cook after?
Because sometimes
We have to learn.
now I can't cook.
Can't just cook American food. We gotta cook our nationality food.
Put the pima. Put pima already.
Yeah, you put the pima already. You put it in there. Remember you said pow. You said Pow!
Put a little bit salt.
Put too much.
Let me see. Put that. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let a little bit. Okay, that's enough.
Choop, 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 choop.
Chop, 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 chop. Chop, boil it, then we roll it.
Pow. So you have to do pow. Choop, 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 choop.
What's up that one?
More salt.
No, give it to me. If you not catch when
Sama technician. Dapat share ki bagay ano. Wala mo have to share. Yeah?
people come here.
Share ko. Sama may technician. That's it. Spice.
Bom kiba, ba?
Jerk seasoning hot and
Here, get you.
pow.
This happened.
Put this in there, Grandma.
Yeah.
Put this in there.
All of this in here.
Put it right now.
Uh-huh.
Kiss up and see.
Be careful. You can't tomber, oui?
I think we got room to throw it in there, Grandma. Just throw it. Just pow.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Pow. But be careful. This don't slice falling down. You get pow. Drop it. Pow.
Pow.
But be careful.
Pow.
Yeah.
That's all you had to say, Grandma. You say you do pow.
Pow. And the other. And that's why you can take too big. Put this down here. No.
Take that.
And transfer. Okay, very good, darling. And now you're going to put all the spice. All the spice.
Oh,
The top.
so nice.
Now, little boy, little bit. Taste it.